What's going on, guys? How are you? This is Shocks and this is Shocks Capital FX. Welcome back to the channel. Today we want to talk about or want to analyze our charts. Let me show you how I analyze during the weekend. Let's forecast the charts for the coming week. So we are looking at a lot of currencies. So we're starting from the EURUSD. We are looking at more than 10 pairs, analyzing what we are expecting in the next week, and that's how we are going to be trading next week. We are going to plan our trades right now, and we're going to stick to our plan, and you're going to win. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it. We're starting with the EURUSD EU. So what we are seeing here is, first of all, we can see that we are kind of transitioning to an uptrend. If you draw a trend line here, you can see that we are kind of going up, right? Then if you draw another one down here, you can see the same phenomenon that we are seeing. So market took out the structure here, took out market structure at this point, right? Took out structure going up, then retested this order block, go up, break this high, come back, break, retest the OB, break the high, and as we are going, so the horizontal lines you are seeing are quarter points. So we are expecting our order blocks and our quarter points to be in sync as we trade and as we analyze. So as you can see here, we have this impulse move that took out numerous structure and liquidity on this trend line. All this money was taken, then this high was broken here with the quarter point, right? So our order block in this case is what is in this area. So we are expecting price to retest this area and the whole number 1.1 and buy from this zone, and our target is 1.11810, this quarter point right here, the blue quarter point that you see here. So this is what we are expecting on EU, and we will be expecting some kind of reversal around 1.25 area. This is another quarter point, so we'll be expecting price around this area. We would buy here and we would expect to sell here. So this is what we will be expecting from Monday, Tuesday. Then we go to GU. What is happening on the GBPUSD pair? So from what you can see here, from just looking at this chart, you can see that we are kind of transitioning into an uptrend again. This is H4. We have had a break of structure in that area, right? We have had a BOS around this area, break of structure, meaning price is changed or is shifted to the uptrend, and this order block has been retested, right? So we are expecting price to continue going up, take all this liquidity that you see here. Take all this liquidity that you see in this area, right, and go up maybe to this area and retest this order block and maybe expect a reversal from this zone. But first of all, we would want to see this pair buying from this zone maybe up to this area, and would be expecting a reversal around the white area. So this is what we see, this is what we are seeing, and this. So also keep in mind, price might turn at this half point that you can see 1.325. So we will be seeing how price will be moving. So go to AU. This is USD, the Aussie. From the Aussie, you can see that we are building up liquidity around this area, right? There's a lot of liquidity. So what I will be expecting is price to take all this liquidity, retest this order block in this area and this half point, as you can see, then we can be buying again. So this is what I'm seeing, because we have a very clear and easy uptrend structure here. So that's what I am betting on. We have this clear uptrend that has been going on. EU is one of the easiest pairs to trade, one of the easiest. So this is an uptrend that you can see, and we are expecting price here so that we can buy. So that's what we want to see. And from this one, this is a clear bullish order flow scenario, and we'll be expecting price at this order block and at these quarter points, as you can see. So we are expecting a move of this nature. So we're expecting a move of that nature from this, and we might also be targeting this liquidity and this half point that you can see on top of the chart. And then NZD-USD, from here you can see that it has already moved, taken out all this liquidity right here, retested the whole number, then came back to retest the OB, and we'll be expecting a move back to the top there. This is what I will be expecting on the NU, that the NZD-USD, the Kiwi. So that's what we are expecting on this one. This is GBPJPY. It's not very clear, but from what you can see, we can see that we have a very interesting area in this zone, and we have another one up here. Okay, we have another area that is very interesting up here. So we would want to see how the market opens and how it moves so that we can react to the market. Remember, we are traders who react to the market. We don't tell the market what to do, so we react. So if it's not clear like this, we wait and react. So GBP NZD, this is a clear sell from my point of view. So I'm expecting price to be selling from this point, and as you can see, this is a very good trend line that you can see, and we are at a whole number. So I'll be expecting price to retest this area and drop. So if you go to H1, you can clearly see that we have an area here that price might just go and retest and go. So when price opens from the M15, what we'll be expecting is, we'll be expecting price to give you a pattern at the yesterday's high, at this high, at this whole number. Then you can be looking forward to do your business around that area. So this is what we are looking for, and this is how we are ought to trade concerning the GBP NZD. And if you go to GBPCAD, we are expecting price around this area, right? We are expecting price around this area, so we'll be expecting a move back to the area and a drop. So as you can see, we have a 6500 area, which is our half point here, quarter point, and we will be expecting price to retest this area and this order block and sell. So very easy downtrend structure. GBPCAD, we want to sell it. GBPAUD, that's GBP odd, we want to sell it again from this same area. So we'll be expecting price to move up, then sell from our point of interest. Then go to GBPCHF, or from GBPCHF, what are we expecting? We're expecting price at this area, so one price to move up, then drop from that area. This is GBPCHF, or we'll be expecting price around this area if it doesn't sell from this one. But overall, we want sales from this GBP Swiss. Right, then you go to Euro USD. This one is very clumsy, it's not very clear. So we will see how the market opens and how it moves. But for argument's sake, we would want this EN around this area. So we would want a drop and a buy from that particular area. So we are at a whole number, and we would be expecting price to come back to the quarter point, half point here, and go up. So we'll see how it moves. Then we go to CFDs. From the CHF JPY, we'll be expecting a buy, and I would want this all liquidity to be taken out first, then retest this whole number, and we go up. Then CAD JPY, CAD JPY. From what we are seeing here, we have an order block in this area, but it's been retested, and we have this fresh order block in this area, and we also have this order block around this area. So I would be looking for a buy from this zone or a sell from this zone. So we'll see how it moves and what patterns it's gonna give us at those particular points. Then this is a very important area, and I'll be expecting price to retest and go up if the market opens and moves as I'm expecting. So this is a EURCAD. So EURCAD, I'm just expecting price to move up, retest this OB and drop. This is a clear sell from my end, so I'm expecting that, and I will be waiting for that. And lastly, we have AUD/JPY, that's the odd JPY. So from the odd JPY, what I'm expecting is a buy, and a buy from this area. This is an order block, and this is a whole number. I'm expecting price to retest this zone and buy up to this area. This is what I'm expecting from the EURGBP, guys. I hope you benefited something. Now you just have to go mark your charts like what I did and wait for this set. So this is my plan for next week, and I hope to see you next week, and I hope to see you winning. I will see you next time. Trade what you see. I've shown